Hiya, I'm Paul at One Man One Dog Berlingo Micro Camper. So today is Wednesday the 27th of February 2019. It's dinner time, 12 o'clock. So I slept in my car on Saturday, did some urban camping with the dog, and I had a fail. This part of the bed, I was a bit heavy-handed and I lifted it up and I broke it, so that's just resting on at the minute. So I'm going to take that out and fix it. Right, I'm also going to remove this and put a thinner piece on because it overlaps there. I don't like it. Okay, catch up in a bit. Okay, I've removed the bed extension and take it in and fix it now. The seat wasn't going further enough forward and it was jamming, and I forced it and broke one of these off. Actually, broke that off. So it's either do a seat hack so it can go further forward, or if you look there, move the bed up an inch. Okay, so it's 5 p.m. and I've done my work, so the bed extension is sorted now. I moved the bed that way towards the back doors by an inch, and now it goes up and down all right, so as you can see there, and I'll show you. It's just a bit awkward to unclip, and it falls down like that, and the seat goes back then, and you've got to watch, you nick your finger and you get a blood blister. Right, so that's that done. Stay there, Ryan. And when I moved the bed I had to saw this like this here, so that's that. Okay, so I've also fitted this beam here instead of the other one, like I said, because it was too wide. I didn't like it overlapping here. And also I've got these foam floor tiles, and these was £5 with the toddlers play areas. They're not fitted properly, just laid them down. So I've got this little chap with me. He's on guard, he can see someone, he wonders what we're up to. He's no wonder he's not barking. Right, so on Saturday night when I was urban camping with the dog, this gap here down the side of the bed, the dog fell down it and I had to drag him out, and he was growling and he was not happy. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. So I'll catch up with you. Orion. Right, okay, that's it for today.